Our enemies are many, and they stand ready to pounce upon and exploit our every weakness. They play upon our vanities and flatter us
In December
in every kind of
1958, in the city of Accra, the federal capital of Ghana, history was being written. A bold African leader gathered revolutionaries from across the continent. His name was Kwame Nkrumah. His mission was clear: free Africa, unite Africa, and empower Africa. First time in the history of Africa, a conference led by Africans for Africans without the intervention of colonial authority. Present there are leaders, activists, trade unionists, and freedom fighters from across the African continent. Among them were Patrice Lumumba, Mboya, and Frantz Fanon. Dr. Nkrumah called for immediate independence for all African countries.
Check them. Fighters for African freedoms, I appeal to you in the sacred name of Mother Africa to leave this conference resolved
End to colonialism, imperialism, and support for the liberation struggles of African nations. And finally, a United States of Africa.
decade of African independence. Forward then to independence. To independence now. Tomorrow, the United States of Africa.
Dr. Nkrumah, and the Prime Minister of Ghana and also the first President of Ghana after independence.